What prompted us to call KEE Roofing is we were sitting in our living room one night during the middle of a rainstorm, and we heard a drip, drip, drip on our insulated attic box. Heard this leak. We said, well, we're not going to call the insurance company. We're going to give KEE Roofing a call. We had seen, there's signs all over the upstate, and so we decided to call them. Got in touch with Ben. He came out, got up on the roof, looked to see if we needed a repair, and then actually started taking pictures and noticed that we had lots of hail damage. And so instead of just recommending a repair, he recommended full replacement. So I contacted the insurance company to come out and send out their appraiser. Ben came out, met with them. I was here as well. Guy looked at it and said, sure enough. And so we got approved for a full replacement. I handed everything over to Ben after that, and it was a seamless process.
Okay, as far as the cleanup process goes, it was a smooth process. We have 3 small children at home, so we thought, oh my goodness, we're going to have nails and things in the yard, but we haven't found any nails, any damage. It actually looked almost better than when we had left it, so it was a great cleanup process too.
We were extremely happy with the process the day of the install. The workers showed up first thing as soon as the sun came up. Immediately got on the roof, started working. My wife and I, we both left to go to work. I got home about 3 in the afternoon, and I had a brand new roof. So everything was cleaned up, looked great. I couldn't be happier with the process.